everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 25th October 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So before coming to the Indian markets, let us see the Asian markets first. The Asian markets were fixed in today's session, and due to the concerns over rise in COVID cases in China, some volatility have been seen in Chinese and Hong Kong market. Also, today the Hong Kong and Shanghai's bank will declare their result. Therefore, their impact will be seen in the global markets. And in Indian markets are showing strength, and they are expected to open in green as the Reliance and ICICI Bank's results were good, and the markets are expected to react on the results of Reliance and ICICI Bank. And also, if we see the last three trading sessions, the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, if we see the Nifty from past five trading sessions, the Nifty is continuously showing weak and negative trends, while on the contrary, the Bank Nifty from last three trading days is showing strong and positive movement. And in today's session also, Bank Nifty is strongly up by more than 1%, while the Nifty is struggling in green and red. And also, if we see the FIs and DIs data from past few trading days, in the last trading day, that is on Friday, the FIs net sold around 2,700 crores worth of stock in cash market, while the DIs bought around 1,000 crore worth of stocks in cash market. And if we see last 4 days, last four trading days of the FIs and DIs activity, then the FIs have been net sold by around by more than 6,000 crore worth of stock in cash market, while the DIs were net sellers by around 2,000 crores in last four trading days, which is quite significant and worryful. Also, if we see the Dow Jones Banking Index on Friday, the Dow Jones Banks was up by more than 1%, which shows that the banking and financial sector in the US are also outperforming, and that impact can be seen in Indian markets also. So now it is better to consider the stock specific outlook rather than on the indices, as the indices are expected to be volatile, and there can be some shorts uh, profit booking can be seen in indices for the short term perspective. And as far as for the stocks are concerned, you can consider ONGC, Oil India for the today's session. They are expected to outperform in the Indian markets. Also, if we see the options data, the uh, 18,200 and 18,300 call options have been sold aggressively on Friday, which shows that they can act as a strong resistance level on the upper side. And for stocks, you can consider Oil India and ONGC for today's session. So I hope you liked our analysis, and that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.